You want a 360-degree view of the customer and the power that comes with that? HubSpot Service Hub is connected to the powerful HubSpot CRM platform, which gives you additional power. Welcome to HubSpot Tips and Tricks. I'm Jasna from Actuado, and in this video, I'll explain what's new in Service Hub, Customer Portal, Custom Use, and Channel Switching. HubSpot added Service Hub to their portfolio in 2018, and now in 2022, it got a big upgrade. It's easy to use, like all HubSpot tools, and also it's connected to the powerful HubSpot CRM platform. Putting the customer first enables you to deliver the most authentic service to the customer. Customer Portal is a new addition we've been waiting for. It provides transparency and trust for the customer, as they can see all the tickets in one place and they can open, manage, and track them. It has three main pages: ticket listing, which contains a table of open and closed tickets; ticket detail, which shows the conversation associated with the selected ticket; and an optional ticket form, which displays a HubSpot ticket form where customers can submit new tickets. You can design the portal, of course, to look and feel like your brand. Another new functionality are custom views. They help your team organize and prioritize their work. As you can see, a support agent can focus on issues within specific views first. These views are created based on ticket and conversation details, and it helps the agent to prioritize their work more. Also, real-time issue counts help teams understand their work backlog. And the third one I wanted to show you today is channel switching. You connect team email, live chat, and Facebook Messenger channel to the inbox, and then you can easily switch between them on the same thread, so you can meet your customer where they are. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comments or send an email to hubspot@actuado.com. Like, subscribe, and share our videos.